Today I'm going to be telling you 4 tips I use while driving. So the first tip I'm going to tell you is one is I take breaks. So taking breaks is important. So when you're drawing, taking breaks is like necessary. Like don't make a drawing that's really long, and you want to like take breaks. Like it's really important. Like taking breaks, like number one, it can like if you're like really tired that day and then you come back the next morning, it can give you new ideas. Like it can make you like think back on the drawing when you're a starter artist like me. Like that's what I do. Like sometimes I just take breaks. So and then the next tip two I like learn from others' drawings. Like when I'm like when I look at another drawing, like I'm not just copying their idea, I'm like learning from it. Like what are they doing that's different? Like what are they doing? Like are they like doing like this that I'm not doing, or is like are they like making like something better that I can probably do in my drawing? Like or like like I could do this, but how could I improve? So do that. Like that's an important step too. Okay, third step is practice. So practicing is like one of the most like things you hear from everyone, but hear me out. So practicing actually is worth it. So if you make one drawing and quit and then come back so much time later, you're gonna forget a lot of stuff. But if you keep practicing, I'll tell you, your drawings are gonna get better. Number 4, but before we get to that, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you like these videos, make sure to comment down what should be like a new video, and also thanks just for watching this video. So the fourth step is to have fun. So having fun is like the most important out of all of them. Like you're not just drawing just for anything, you're drawing for fun. Like that's how you get your like creative ideas. That's how you like get your like knowledge. Like it's so like if you're like drawing and like if you're doing it like for nothing, then that's like not the point. Like you're drawing to have fun. Like this isn't like some serious thing you have to do every day. Like you can take breaks. Like it's not a force. Like you can do it like whenever you want. And that's all I have for today. And here's another thing I want to let you know. I might upload videos like every week. Like I don't have like a lot of time now, but if I upload a video sooner, then that's good. Like I'll try to upload like every week, but if I don't, I'm trying my best. Like I'll upload sooner, like I said, and see you guys later.